Hi, Glyn Hughes here, EMF Protection. Talking to you today about the difference between 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G. So what is 5G? It's a very high speed, high frequency development of the old 2G, 3G, 4G networks. And therefore it needs different types of equipment to monitor it, to see how much of it is in any given environment, and it needs different types of material potentially to shield it, or therefore stop it getting into your environment. What's around at the moment is 5G out there. Well, yes, it is. It's called 5G, but really most of the 5G that you see on your phones, if you have a modern service supplied network phone, is actually 4.5G and uses similar technology to what's gone before it. And actually, if you do download videos and data, whatever you want to do, you won't see a massive amount of difference between your old technology that you're used to and the 5G that you seem to be using now, which isn't real 5G. Real 5G is millimetre wave. It's very, very high frequency, allowing a fast transfer of data, videos, music, whatever. You can get a movie down really quickly onto your mobile or tablet using the proper high frequency 5G, which is not very prevalent at the moment. It's not in many places, but it's coming. So should we therefore be more concerned about it than we are with our present technology, 2G, 3G, 4.5G, known as 5G, i.e. non-millimetre wave wireless technology? Well, the answer is we don't know. Just like we didn't know whether digital, 2G was going to be more dangerous than the analog mobile phone networks we were used to using in the late 80s and early 90s. Digital proved to be more dangerous, and 3G more so. 4G no different than 5G. No different than 3G in terms of health effects. The upshot of all that is we don't know. We don't know. We've never had this very, very high frequency millimetre wave. How's it going to interact with our bodies? Should we be more concerned about it? Well, yeah, we need to find out about it. Should we panic? No. Let's look on the positive side. 5G will not travel anywhere near as far as 4G, 3G and 2G. The higher the frequency, the less the distance that it can travel. Sadly though, what's planned therefore is 5G antennas everywhere, on every lamppost, on every piece of street furniture. So they say. We've yet to see it, but is it in your environment? Well, we don't know. So in terms of monitoring it, we have ourselves, we're not here to really sell it, although we've got to talk about it. The FM5, the Freedom Monitor 5, is the only monitor out there that actually measures millimetre wave frequency 5G. So the news is, at the moment, your EMF high frequency monitors you've been buying for the last 20, 30 years will measure pretty much everything that's out there, but before very long, they won't. So we need to measure EMFs in our environment, high frequency EMFs. We need to study, we need to look at the homes of people that have been in high frequency 5G. We need to get groups together. We need to get going. This video is a call to action. Learn about it. Talk to us about it. Connect with the video. Leave your comments below. Ask us, tell us your fears. Tell us what you think. And hopefully, leave us some way of contacting you so that we can build a culture, a network of people who are not saying, oh no, 5G is going to kill us, but we don't know why, but that are saying, look, we think 5G, this is what's going to happen with it because this is what we've found as we've studied. So that's what this video is about. I'm glad you've got this far. Send your comments in, send us your emails, addresses on your comments. We'll get in touch with you and hopefully join together those interested in this subject so that we can at least know what's going on.